Hi everyone, welcome to your favorite channel on YouTube, Math Vibes, where learning maths concepts is very easy. So as promised, in the series of concept of decimals, here is a part 2 in which we will explain how to name some decimal numbers or how to write the number name of decimal numbers. Okay, and in this video we'll discuss two ways of writing the number names. Let's move on. So, before you know how to write the number name of decimal numbers, it is very important that you should know that a decimal consists of two parts. Okay, a decimal consists of two parts, whole part and decimal part. Whole part and decimal part. Okay, now what are this whole part and decimal part? Now let us learn to read the decimals or to write the number name of some decimals, or if the question is that write some decimal in words, then how will you do that? Okay, how will you do that? So here are some rules. The first rule is you have to speak the whole part. Okay, you have to speak the whole part. Then you have to say point for the decimal. Wherever there will be a decimal or a dot, you will say point. Okay. And the third is you have to speak the decimal part. Now the twist is that when you will speak the decimal part, then you will speak the number name of each and every digit in that decimal. Okay. And that's it. Now let's look at some examples of how to write the number name of the decimal numbers. Now let us take the first number as 580.324. Now why I am speaking like that? How will you read it? Okay, the first step will be, the very first step will be, first what we have done, we will see this number. Okay, the first step will be we have to write the number name of this complete number. Okay, 580. All right, 580. Then for this we will speak point. Okay, this was our second step, that for this we have to speak point. And then for this one, this third one, we have to speak the number name of each digit, that is 3 2 4. Okay, 3 2 4. This will be the complete 580, then point, and then 3 2 4. So our number name will become 580.324. 580.324. Alright. Now another number is this. Now again all those steps will continue. Firstly we will write down the number name of this 650. Then for this we will write point, and then for this we will write down the number name of each digit. Okay, the number name of each digit. So its number name will be 650.2548. So it is 650.2548. Alright. So the next number is 17, and let's see how to read it. So first step is the number name of this whole number as a complete. Then for this decimal we will have point. Okay. Now we'll write the number name of each digit in this decimal part, which is 09. So now the complete number name will be 17.09. 17.09. Okay. Now here is another number. Now how will we do? We'll divide it into three parts. Firstly, the complete number name of whole part. Then for point we will write, for this dot we will write point. Okay, and for this 9 we will write the number name of each digit. Here we have only one digit, so we will write the number name of this only. So now our number name will become 85.9. So it is 85. So let us now look at the second method. And before we start with the second method, it is very important that you should know about the place values, okay, or the places of the decimal part. For this, we need this chart, okay. All of you are already aware that when we have to write the places of the whole number part, then we write it with this ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, hundred thousands. Like that we read, and like that we write their places, okay. But this is for whole part. Now it is not possible that for the decimal part also we use the same concept, okay. We cannot use the same concept of this for the decimal parts, okay. And we are well aware that this is the decimal point, and to the left of it we have whole part, and to the right of it we have decimal part, okay. So now to represent the decimal parts, what mathematicians have thought is that they have added this THS after each place to represent the decimal part, okay. Otherwise they both will look the same and we will not be able to differentiate, okay. So what they have done is they have written THS, and after 10, 100,000, 10,000 and 100,000, instead of SS in the whole parts they have written THS. So now whenever THS is written, that will mean that these are the places of some decimal number, okay. And now one important thing that you should note over here is now why this ones is missing in the decimal part, why we don't have this ones in the decimal part. Now the reason is that decimal parts are the parts which are not complete, they are not whole, they are not complete. So if something is not complete, how can it be one, right? Besides this, we have seen in part 1 also that decimal means 10, okay. Hey, don't tell me you have not seen part 1. Uh, go and check it out on my channel, okay. The link is in the description box below too. Alright, so these THS are representing the decimal parts, okay. Now for reading decimals by the second method, first rule is that you have to read what you see before the decimal. Okay, you have to read what you see before the decimal. Now after that you have to speak and for the decimal. Okay, you have to speak and then you have to read what you see after the decimal. Now you must be getting confused at what have I written. So in easier way, what you have to do is you have to write down the number name of the whole part and the decimal part. But the twist is now instead of writing the number name of each digit in the decimal part, now we will write the complete number name and we will add the place of the last digit with it. Okay, feeling confused? Okay, let's see with the help of an example. Okay, so let us take the first number as 85.76. Now I will read the numbers with the first method so that we can keep on revising the first method also side by side. Alright, so 85.76. First of all, let's look at their places. The place of 5 is ones. The place of 8 is tens. The place of 7 is tens. The place of 6 is hundreds. Okay, so now what we have done till now is firstly you will write down the number name of this part, whole part, then the number of name of this decimal part. Then for decimal now we will not write point, now we will write and then we will add the place of the last digit which is 6 over here to the number name. So how will we write it? By the first method it should be 85.76 and by the second method now it is 85 and 76 hundredths. Write down the number name of the whole part which is 85. Write down the number name of the decimal part which is 76 and write down the place of this last digit which is hundredths, okay, hundreds, and connect them with and. In place of point now we will write and, okay. So this is the second method, 85 and 76 hundredths. All right, okay. Now let's look at another number, which is 1.46. By first method it will be 1.46. By second method we will write down the number name of whole part, then and then decimal part. Okay, so it should be 1 and 46 hundredths. 1 and 46 hundredths. Alright. Now let's look at another number. See, I'll be taking different numbers so that the concept is absolutely clear in your mind and there is no doubt. Even if different numbers are given to you, you will be able to solve all the type of questions. Okay. So 67.401. Okay, 67.401 by first method. By second method, number name of this 67 and 401. And what is the place of this last digit 1? Tenth, hundredth and thousands. So the number name should be 67 and 401 thousands. 67 and 401 thousands. Alright. Let's take another example. Now the number is 1304.002. Okay. So before we move further, please do subscribe our channel and like and share also. Okay. So by first method it is 1304.002, and by the second method we have to write down the number name of first number whole part, number name of second number decimal part, and connected with and. So it should be 1304 and 2000s. Here the last place is thousands, right? Tenth, hundredth and thousands. Okay, so the number name will be this now. Let's take a different number now. Let's take 1.4. Okay, 1.4. The number name of this whole part, then the number name of this decimal part along with its place, because it is only one number over here now. So its place will be tenths, right? And we'll connect it with this, which is and. So the answer is 1 and 4 tenths. 1 and 4 tenths. Alright. Okay. One more example. Try to solve it on your own. Okay, by first method it is 0.006. Now by second method, number name of this, which is 0, then and then 006. Now what is 006? See, 006 simply means 6. Right? Whether I say 6 or I say 06 or I say 006 or the number of zeros I can add before 6, the answer is always going to be 6. So it is 0.006. Okay, by the first method. And the place of 0 here is tenth, hundredth and thousands. Okay, tenth, hundredth and thousand. So the number name according to the second method, it should be, see, either I can write 0 and 6 thousands, but 0 will not make any sense. So you can directly write 6 thousands, which will automatically mean 0.006. Alright, now this number is for you. Okay, by first method it is 1.013. By second method it is, tell me, I'll give you 3 seconds. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2 and tick tick 3. So your answer should be 1 and 13 thousandths. 1 and 13 thousandths. Okay, right. Those who have got it correct, well done. Absolutely right. Good job. Now, here are another set of questions for you. Different questions I have framed for you. And now what you do is you have to write the answer in the comment section so that I can come to know whether you are able to do it or not. Okay, whether you have understood the concept or not. Okay, so first one I'll solve it for you. So the number is 3.47 by the first method. And in this question, I will give you 4 options. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 4 different options, and you have to choose the correct one. The first is 3 and 47 tenths, 3 and 47 thousands, 3 and 47 hundreds, 3 and 47 hundred. So which is the correct option now? According to the second method, 3 seconds you have. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, and tick tick 3. So for this, I'll tell you the answer over here only in the video. Okay, that the correct answer is 3 and 47 hundredths. Okay, but for the next two questions, I want you to write the answers in the comment section. Okay, and I will try to reply each and every answer, that whether it is correct or not. Okay, so your next question is, come on, get ready. Your next question is 17.082. Again, you have four options. So the first option is 17,082. Second option is 17 and 82 hundredths. Third option is 17 and 82 tenths. And the last option is 17 and 82 thousandths. You will have 5 seconds and you have to pause the video right now and you have to write the answer in the comment section below. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, and tick tick 5. Your time is up. I hope you have written the answers. Alright, your next question is 0.302 and your first option is 3002. Second option is 302 thousandths. Third option is 0 and 302 thousandths. And the last option is 3002 thousandths. Okay, you have to choose the correct answer over here. You have 5 seconds again. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2. Pause the video and answer in comment section below. And while you are answering, don't forget to subscribe. Tick tick 3, tick tick 4, and tick tick 5. Your time is up. Well, I sincerely hope that all your answers are absolutely correct. And if you have liked our video, don't forget to press the subscribe button. Do like our video, do share it, and show us your love. Okay, the next part will be on modeling of decimals in the series of concept of decimals part 3. The next will be this, in which you will learn that if some blocks are given, you must have seen that in your exercise questions there are certain set of questions in which the blocks are being made, and you have to, from those blocks only, you have to answer that answer in decimal numbers. Okay, so how to do that, that if some blocks are given, from there कैसे ढूंढोगे कि decimal लगाना है. Okay, so that topic we are going to take up next. It will be modeling of decimals. Don't forget to watch it and don't forget to press the subscribe button. Bye, take care.